Number 1. Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025, a glimpse into the future of trucking. The Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025 was a groundbreaking concept vehicle that showcased the potential of autonomous driving technology in the commercial trucking industry. Unveiled in 2014, it represented a significant step forward in automotive innovation. Key features and innovations. Highway Pilot. This was the core technology that allowed the truck to drive autonomously on highways. It used a combination of radar sensors and cameras to navigate and maintain safe distances from other vehicles. Aerodynamic design. The truck's sleek and aerodynamic shape was designed to reduce fuel consumption and improve efficiency. Number 2. Freightliner Inspiration Truck, a pioneer in autonomous trucking. The Freightliner Inspiration Truck was a groundbreaking achievement in the commercial vehicle industry. It was the first autonomous commercial vehicle to be legally operated on public roads in the United States. Key features and achievements. Highway Pilot. Similar to its German counterpart, the Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025, the Inspiration Truck relied on a sophisticated system called Highway Pilot. This technology allowed the truck to drive autonomously on highways under specific conditions. Sensor fusion, a combination of radar, cameras, and other sensors enabled the truck to perceive its environment accurately and make informed decisions. Number 3. Hyundai HDC6 Neptune, a visionary hydrogen-powered truck. The Hyundai HDC6 Neptune is a stunning concept truck that represents a significant step forward in the commercial vehicle industry. This hydrogen-powered behemoth showcases Hyundai's commitment to sustainable transportation and its vision for the future of trucking. Key features. Hydrogen fuel cell. The Neptune is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, making it a zero-emission vehicle. Striking design. Inspired by the Art Deco era, the truck's design is both aerodynamic and visually appealing. It features a sleek, streamlined body and innovative lighting elements. Number 4. FutureOf Bus Concept, a challenge in specificity. Unfortunately, there doesn't seem to be a publicly released, standalone, FutureOf Bus concept, like there are for models like the Hyundai HDC6 Neptune or the Freightliner Inspiration Truck. Fuso, a subsidiary of Daimler Truck, is known for its production-ready buses and has been at the forefront of electric and hybrid bus technology. While they haven't unveiled a dedicated concept bus with a specific name like the models we've discussed, their focus on innovation and sustainability is evident in their current lineup. Fuso's commitment to innovation. Instead of a singular concept bus, Fuso has been incorporating innovative features and technologies into their production models. For example, electric buses. Fuso offers a range of electric buses, showcasing their commitment to reducing emissions in public transportation. Number 5. Turnkey Race Haulers, the ultimate mobile workshop. Turnkey Industries is a renowned name in the world of race haulers. They specialize in designing and building top-tier transporters for the motorsports industry. Their haulers are known for their customization. Every hauler is tailored to the specific needs of the racing team, ensuring optimal efficiency and functionality. Durability. Built to withstand the rigors of the racing circuit, turnkey haulers are designed for long-lasting performance. Luxury. Many models offer luxurious amenities for the team, including living quarters, kitchens, and entertainment systems. Innovation. Turnkey incorporates the latest technology and design trends to create cutting-edge haulers. flagship in the trucking industry. The Volvo VNL is a stalwart in the long-haul trucking segment, renowned for its blend of power, efficiency, and driver comfort. This Class 8 tractor has been a preferred choice for many professional drivers due to its reliability and performance. Key features of the Volvo VNL. Powerful engines. Equipped with robust diesel engines, the VNL delivers exceptional torque and horsepower, ensuring efficient performance on long-haul routes. Driver-centric cab. The VNL prioritizes driver comfort with spacious sleepers, ergonomic controls, and advanced amenities. Fuel efficiency. Volvo's focus on fuel economy is evident in the VNL, with features like aerodynamic design and intelligent powertrain management. Number 7. 27 North Rex Rover, the ultimate overland expedition vehicle. The 27 North Rex Rover is a high-end, custom-built expedition vehicle designed for those seeking unparalleled adventure and comfort. Built on a robust Ford F-350 platform, the Rex Rover is equipped to tackle the most challenging terrains while providing a luxurious living space. Key features of the Rex Rover. Rugged construction, built to withstand harsh conditions, with a focus on durability and off-road capability. Spacious interior, offers a comfortable living space with amenities like a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping accommodations. Advanced technology, equipped with modern technology for navigation, communication, and entertainment. Number 8. Sleipnir Tatra, a glacier-conquering beast. The Sleipnir Tatra is a formidable vehicle specifically designed to navigate the challenging terrain of Iceland's glaciers. It's the backbone of Sleipnir Tours, a company offering unique glacier experiences. Key features of the Sleipnir Tatra. Massive size and power, equipped to carry passengers across vast ice fields, the Sleipnir Tatra is a behemoth with immense power. Off-road capability, designed to handle the extreme conditions of glaciers, with features like large tires and advanced suspension. Passenger comfort, despite its rugged exterior, the interior is designed to provide comfort and safety for passengers. Number 9. The Transit Elevated Bus, TEB, a concept ahead of its time. The Transit Elevated Bus, TEB, was a highly ambitious concept designed to alleviate traffic congestion in urban areas. Essentially, it was a large, straddling bus that ran along dedicated tracks, elevated above regular road traffic. Key features of the TEB. Elevated design. The bus would straddle regular traffic, allowing cars to pass underneath. Large capacity. The TEB was designed to carry a significant number of passengers, potentially reducing the number of buses on the road. Environmental benefits. As an electric vehicle, it was intended to be environmentally friendly. Number 10. NAYA ARMA minibus, a misconception. There seems to be a misunderstanding. There is no such thing as a NAYA ARMA minibus. Navya Arma, the correct term. The minibus you're likely referring to is the Navya Arma. This is a well-known autonomous electric minibus developed by the French company, Navya. It has been deployed in several cities around the world for public transportation trials. Key features of the Navya Arma. Autonomous driving. The minibus operates without a human driver, relying on sensors and software for navigation. Electric powertrain. It is environmentally friendly with zero tailpipe emissions.